Hey y'all, and welcome back. I think we have a good one for you today. We have something special in store. It's going to be a simple cook, but we, and I say we, the Griddle Crew members have been challenged to make a cook, a special cook, using only ingredients that start with the letter C. So today I'm going to make a cheesy chicken croissant on the Blackstone. All my ingredients, as you see here, very few of them, all start with C. We have crazy Cajun, we have chicken, we have croissants, we have cheese. You know me, I like to keep it simple. I mean, you could probably really think this over and make a really, elaborate dish and find all letters that start with C, or ingredients that start with C, not letters, but ingredients that start with the letter C. You know what I mean. Sesame Street's been a long time since I watched it. So anyhow, this is what we're doing. We're gonna keep it simple, keep it easy, keep it fresh, and keep it with the letter C. So today's episode is brought to you by the letter C. So I went ahead and got the griddle preheating. I put everything on low, got it fired up, and while that's heating up, over there, let's go ahead and get this chicken ready. Let's go ahead and get these croissants ready, and let's get ready to start cooking. Now these croissants, I got them fresh out of the deli at my local grocery store. So what I want to do now is just come in here. I'm just gonna slice them in half. That's all I'm gonna do is just slice in half like that right there. Make two halves. Make one whole into two halves. See, this is like a learning episode. Letter C, dividing, all kinds of stuff going on here today. Let's get this other one done. Now I must say, these knives that Blackstone just sent out, these are very sharp. Y'all be careful with these. Now it's time to season the chicken. So we're gonna use this crazy Cajun. I think it's just called Cajun now. This is actually an older bottle I've had for a while now. And as you see, I kind of need to use it up. So let's go ahead and get some seasoning on this chicken. Get some flavor on it. Because nobody likes bland, old chicken. Got to have flavor on your chicken. There we go. Like that there. Good enough. That's simple. Chicken seasoned. Croissants are cut. Let's go check on that griddle. Yep, there's that white smoke. That tells me one thing, that this griddle is ready for some groceries. Let's throw down some canola oil. That's right, starts with the letter C. Get some down there. Spread it out just a little bit. And let's lay this chicken down. Like that right there. Yes, sir. These would be great for meal preps. Them early mornings and busy mornings, you already have these cooked up, ready to go. Perfect. And using boneless, skinless chicken thighs only adds to the flavor. That's for sure. All right, this chicken hadn't been on there, I don't know, 4 or 5 minutes now. I say we give it a flip. Oh man, that looks pretty there. Looks real good. Loving this color. Y'all just look at how pretty these chicken thighs are turning out. Man, I hope they taste near as good as they're looking right now. All right, we're shooting for a temp of 165 on these chicken thighs. So let's see just kind of what we're at right now. Let's see, 131, 140 something. Getting there, it's getting there. I say we give them another flip. Yeah, don't be scared to flip your chicken more than once, it's okay. Color's looking really good though, really is. Since this chicken is almost done, it's time to toast our croissants. And it's been brought to my attention that not only does croissant start with letter C, it kind of looks like the letter C. See what it did there? Let's just toast these up. Just throw them down here. Yes, sir. I do think though I'm gonna kind of move them over here to the edge. Like so. They won't toast quite as quick over on the edge, so it's not as high of a risk of burning my croissants. I don't want to burn anything. Bacon, croissants, you don't want to burn nothing. I just tipped the chicken. We're running like 160. We're real close to being done. Let's go ahead and make them cheesy now. Separate them just a little bit. When I say cheesy, I mean cheesy. I'm going 2 slices of cheese on each one. Because it ain't easy being cheesy. So now that cheese is gonna melt on down, these croissants gonna toast on up, won't be long, we're gonna be building us some amazing cheesy chicken croissant sandwiches. So while that cheese is melting down, I think we need to check that toast over here. Let's not burn these croissants now. Oh, perfect. Look at that. Get you flipped over. Yes, sir. That's what I'm wanting right there. Yeah, perfect. So I'm going to grab my handy dandy cutting board and go ahead and take these croissants up. Get them over here. Get them on my cutting board. And now if you want to speed up melting this cheese down, just grab your dome. Real simple. Grab your dome, cover it up. Grab you a little bit of water. And just kind of spray a little bit of water in there. And let the steam do the work. All right, it's only been about 30 seconds, so let's see what we got under this dome, y'all. Oh, look at that. Yes, sir, that turned out pretty. All right, the chicken's done, the cheese is melted, croissants are toasted. I say we kill the heat, slide these over, get our cutting board out, and let's build these things. Let's kill all our heat right here. Slide them over. Grab our cutting board with our beautiful croissants on it. Set it up here. Now we gotta put this cheesy chicken on the sandwich. Yes, sir, buddy. Just like that. Boy. And let's top them off. These might not be the prettiest looking things I've ever made, but I do believe they're gonna be one of the best tasting. I mean, look, even down in there, you can see that cheese in there. Yes, sir. That toasted croissant, that cheese, that spicy chicken. Oh yeah, I'm liking this. I mean, what's not to like about this? Look at all that cheese. And that chicken's got a good little sear on it right there. Yes, sir. We got to try it, y'all. We just have to. And there you go. If you're looking for a quick and easy breakfast, I highly recommend something like this. Loved this challenge. It really, I kind of overthought it. And then I'm like, you know, I just need to keep it simple. So I chose to make cheesy chicken croissants on the Blackstone. There's only one thing left to do now, and that's just try it out. Come on. Damn, boy. That is so good. That chicken is so juicy and tender. The Cajun has just a little bit of kick to it, not too much. And all that cheese and that toasted croissant. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I actually enjoyed this challenge, and I'm sure there's going to be some more coming along, but remember, everything here began with the letter C. So, I have a challenge for you. Let me see what you can create only using ingredients that start with the letter C. I would love to know. Either let me know in the comments, make a video and tag me. However, you know, make some pictures and tag me. Speaking of tags, if you're looking for any other place that I may be on social media, be sure to go check out. Look down below, there's a link tree. We're on Facebook, we're on Instagram, we're on Pinterest, we're on all kinds of things. We're on TikTok, we're on YouTube, obviously. So be sure to check us out there. And if you happen to post anything there, tag me. I would love to see what you're doing. And with that, I gotta go because I really need to finish this thing. It is really good. I mean, that thing's better than I expected it to be. So hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time.